Hello everyone, welcome to Fundamental Health Research, a public health vision. Today we are going to cover topic on how to publish public health journal article. This is going to be a basic guideline. But first of all, before that, you all should know what are the pros of publication. Publication enhance your CV and the work you have done during your master's and the doctorate thesis. Hence, it will help you to get a job and job promotion too. So come to the basic point. How and what can we publish? If you want to publish a case study, series, some observational studies, experimental or reviews, all you need is a script, images, diagram, tables and figure. You can publish them as in a combination or separately too. The second question arises in the mind is where to publish. The most important one is the PubMed Index Journal. PubMed is a free search engine assessing primarily the Medline database. And if your article is cited in PubMed Index, it can be easily assessed by the job providers while going through your CV or resume. They will easily get to know about your work, and hence as a result, you will get benefit scoring points for publication work. The next step is the journal selection. I already covered this topic in one of my videos. The link has been provided. So you can go through it, see step by step how to select free journal for the publication. To get an idea of each step is very important, like how many time is going to be taken by every step. So before that, a framework should be drawn. In step 1, in journal selection, basically if you are an experienced person, it's hardly a work of one day, but in some person it varies from 1 to 2 weeks. In step 2 is a paperwork, and it is a long process, but it also depends upon the experience of paper writing. The mostly time frame of paper writing and paperwork is from weeks to month. In the step 3, everyone have to follow guide to the author. Here, the guidance instruction has been given by each journal individually. How to conduct, what are the scopes, what are the peer review, what are the blind review, everything has been mentioned here. So anyone who want to go through it can easily go to the journal official site, and from there they can download the instructions. In step 4, the submission of work. Now there is an online submission process which makes things less complex and easygoing. So it may take 1 or 2 days to submit the paper. In the end, I can say the decision is in the hand of editor and reviewers. Editor is the main gatekeeper, hence will decide acceptance and rejection of articles. It is a blind process, hence help to maintain the unbiased decision. On an average, the time frame is between 8 weeks to 6 months. Some people have myths that if the time duration of first decision is longer, the chance of acceptance is higher. No, absolutely wrong. Longer duration doesn't mean higher the chance of acceptance. Don't believe on such myths. Time frame varies from journal to journal and editor to editor. So once you have submit your work, keep patience and humbly accept the decision given by the editor.